the other side.
Can I get through here?
I would go that way and across the front. You probably could.
Yeah.
It's just a shame this is not messed up, so
It will
stay
be.
on the dry. Here's another one too. Keep it moving. Take it out of four-wheel drive, push that lumber forward. Yeah, and that's fixed. Guys having fun at the Garden State?
Every day.
How's your... You only have a small puddle. Hang on. We'll get you a bigger one. We'll be right back.
Thanks.
Whatever we do to help.
That's like the Garden State.
There you go. You know, everybody loves a smart ass. I got a couple diehards over here. I think this ring is still going. How are you, David?
Good, how are you?
Good. You having fun?
So far.
Ah, boy. You might as well suck it up in here, or go down the other side.
Film this. Get the big.
It's all filming. Cut the road here.
You want to go down here?
Yeah, might as well. And one big mess is better than two small ones. You don't need full logo.
You got to get Chino on here.
Oh, yeah. Stick out your can, because Chino's the garbage man. There he is, the pride of Sussex, man. The head of it all. Brother Chino, smile and say a few words for the camera. How do you feel about the weather?
How I feel? I hate it.
Chino doesn't hate anything. He loves it all.
Yeah, that's right.
Except for Kevin and Duva.
That's right.
Told you got to clean up in this business, Chino. He's a good, hard-working boy. Yes, it's the dry ground. This isn't bad. Let's head down behind B and C. See what's going on there.
Is that still recording?
Yep. That's nice and slick, isn't it? All prim and proper.
Hi.
This is normally one of our wetter tents, and we've been all over this. We trenched before and
The berm's holding.
filled, and the whole thing. The berm is holding this year. That's because we've done a berm every year for the past 26 years, and we're finally getting
Well.
good at it. Yeah, I know. It's all in there. It's all a mess. There's nothing over there, but we're going anyway. Maybe not. This guy's been parked here all day. We have to take care of that, and then these guys have to get back on push-ups. All right. I'm done recording, unless there's something on there. See, this isn't bad, and this used to be the worst of all of them.
This used to be a lake down here.
This was horrible. Remember the year we put a tent here? We were digging for days.
Look at Kevin. He's already parked his vans back here.
It is what it is. It is what it is. Maybe we'll go get some lunch. What are they doing here? Is that Ryan something? Come over there, please.